What's up, guys? So today we have a question from Colton Hanley, who says, how much do darknet vendors make? This is a great question. Unfortunately, there's no definite answer that I can give you that ranges based on a lot of different variables. Some of those variables are things like who the darknet vendor is, where do they advertise, how many markets are they on, what are their prices, are they buying in bulk, do they have a team of people advertising for them, or do they do it themselves? Are they active on forums? How long have they been active for? What payments do they accept? Do they have a private vendor shop? All those kind of things come into play when you're answering a question like that. But I think it's a great question. Unfortunately, it's such an open-ended question, and there's so many different variables that go into it that it's not one that I think anyone can really give you an answer to definitively. If they say they can, then they're way more intelligent than I am, or they're just lying to you. I think the latter is probably more likely. But thank you for the question, and I hope you enjoyed the answer, albeit it was super short.